What do you call the cat that was caught by the police?
Come here, Believe. Come here. Why do cats purr?
The trouble with a kitten is that eventually it becomes a cat. Unless you've been living under a rock, you realize a cat will rip out a good purr or two whenever it's happy or contented. But cats also purr when they're in pain or when they're nervous. So what is this purring all about? One theory is that a cat's purr evolved as medically beneficial. A purr is a sound made at a frequency of between 150 and 250 hertz, which has also been found to be the frequency of vibrations that help bones and muscles mend themselves when they've been damaged. Purring thus may have started as a beneficial therapeutic process, but eventually becomes something more of a general sign of contentment and happiness. Another theory is that purring is a form of communication. Cats have been shown to purr at similar frequencies to that of a human baby who is crying when they want food. Now, it has been thought that perhaps cats purr when they're hungry too? Or the purring of newborn cats may be a way for the blind kittens to find or communicate with their mothers. But perhaps cats just purr because they like purring. We just don't know. Do you know something I don't? What do you think, cat? Do you just like purring?
Yes.
This fucker purrs all the time. Like all the time. The perpetrator.